1000 words, lesson 4, vocabulary. Like, live, alone, parent, need, start, which, no, next, party, something, please, yes, no, often, or you can say often, speak, usually or usually, never, English, help, seldom, rarely, night, at night, in the night, without, thank you, thanks, welcome, you are welcome,